Plenty of trucks on the road today have over 300,000 miles, and their owners would not trade them for anything new. We are counting down 10 reasons drivers choose older pickups over modern ones, from mechanical advantages to the kind of trust no showroom can offer. Some are purely practical, others run deeper, and number 1 ties it all together. It starts under the hood of an 80s Ford. In 10th place, the mechanical simplicity of the 1980s Ford F100 and F150 sets the foundation for why so many drivers trust older pickups. Under the hood, a pushrod V8 or an inline-6 engine sits in a bay, uncluttered by modern electronics. Wiring harnesses are short, connectors are few, and most accessories, like the alternator and starter, bolt on externally. Diagnosing issues rarely calls for a scan tool. A multimeter or even a visual check of the dipstick often does the trick. Analog gauges and a mechanical distributor put the driver in direct contact with the truck's heartbeat. With so few sensors and minimal computer control, owners can trace faults quickly and get back on the road using basic tools. This straightforward design builds confidence, making it easier for anyone to tackle repairs in their own driveway. Number 9. The Chevy C10 and GMC CK Series trucks make everyday repair jobs something any owner can tackle in their own driveway. Swapping out a starter or alternator is a matter of removing just a couple of bolts and disconnecting simple wiring. There is no need for dealer-scan tools or specialty electronics. Drum brakes can be rebuilt with nothing more than a jack, a set of sockets, and a wrench, often in under 2 hours per side. Replacing a water pump or radiator is just as direct, with most jobs wrapping up in a single morning. Owners often describe these trucks as forgiving, with straightforward layouts that let them handle most fixes themselves. It's this hands-on capability, jobs finished with basic tools and a little patience, that builds confidence and keeps these older pickups on the road. 8th place goes to the Toyota pickup with its legendary 22R engine, a symbol of durability that has earned a loyal following across decades. At the heart of that reputation is a cast iron block, 5 main bearings, and a timing chain instead of a belt, all engineered for long life under tough conditions. Owners often report 300,000 miles or more, with some examples exceeding 500,000 miles, thanks to regular oil changes and basic maintenance. The 22R's simple valve train and straightforward layout make it possible to rebuild the engine multiple times, with many drivers performing these jobs themselves. Common wear, such as timing chain stretch or oil leaks, is predictable and fixable, not catastrophic. This culture of repairability means a well-kept 22R can outlast newer engines that rely on complex electronics, reinforcing the value of hands-on care and mechanical trust. Number 7. Predictable failure modes set older pickup trucks apart from their modern counterparts. Owners know exactly where to look for trouble: rust along the frame rails and cab corners, carburetor varnish after a long winter, or a distributor cap that needs swapping every 50,000 miles. These patterns are not mysteries, they are part of the maintenance routine. Seasonal carb gumming can be handled with a simple cleaning kit, while frame rust is managed by regular inspection and undercoating. Rubber bushings and hoses, expected to harden and crack with age, are replaced on a schedule. This kind of predictability lowers the risk of surprise breakdowns and keeps repair costs in check. Mechanics often advise new owners to address these known weak points early, turning potential failures into manageable tasks. For many drivers, the ability to anticipate and fix these issues builds lasting trust in their trucks. Number 6. Low dependence on electronics gives older pickups a real advantage when it comes to keeping drivers in control. Instead of a maze of black boxes and dozens of sensors, these trucks rely on basic relays, manual switches, and simple fuse boxes. Diagnosing a no-start or a charging issue often means reaching for a voltmeter, not a dealer-only scan tool. With no immobilizer to lock out the ignition and no proprietary software to block repairs, owners can troubleshoot with wiring diagrams and common sense. Manual choke cables, mechanical fuel pumps, and visible fuses make it possible to bypass a failed circuit and get moving again. This straightforward setup means a failed relay or blown fuse is a quick fix, not a week-long wait for a rare engine control unit. Still, there is a trade-off. These systems lack the advanced safety nets and fuel controls found in modern trucks, so repairs stay simple, but some modern protections are left behind. Number 5. The steady supply of parts keeps older pickups running year after year. For trucks built in the 1980s and the 1990s, sourcing a new starter, water pump, or even a full set of body panels is rarely a challenge. Major vendors like Rock Auto and LMC Truck Stock, everything from carburetors to door handles, often shipping parts within days, not weeks. Local auto parts stores carry essentials for Ford, Chevy, GMC, and Toyota pickups, while online catalogs list both original equipment and aftermarket options. In the Midwest and the South, shelves are filled with Ford and Chevy components, while Toyota parts are easy to find along the West Coast. Prices remain reasonable. A rebuilt alternator can cost under $200, and a new radiator often lands below $150. This level of availability means repairs do not stall for months, making it practical to keep an older truck on the road without breaking the bank. Number 4. The economics of owning an older pickup come down to more than just the sticker price. Simpler designs mean repair bills stay manageable, and most jobs can be tackled in the driveway with basic tools, sidestepping labor rates that quickly add up at modern dealerships. Insurance premiums are often lower, reflecting the truck's age and straightforward replacement costs. Depreciation moves at a crawl. While cars can lose half their value in 5 years, well-kept pickups often hold steady, especially models with a reputation for reliability. Do it yourself. Repairs aren't just possible, they are expected, saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the life of the truck. Owners trust that a failed starter or water pump means a quick fix, not a costly electronics diagnosis. This practical advantage shapes how drivers weigh the trade-offs, making older pickups a calculated choice for those who value control over their long-term expenses. Coming to the top 3, the bond between driver and truck often grows from years of hands-on experience, knowing every rattle, every stiff shifter, and the exact feel of the clutch pedal. For many owners, this familiarity is more than comfort. It is confidence built on tactile control. Manual transmissions, cable-driven throttles, and analog gauges put every action directly in the driver's hands, reducing the anxiety that comes with breakdowns far from home. Stories circulate of fathers teaching their kids to double clutch or troubleshoot a no-start with just a wrench and a flashlight. This kind of trust isn't found in an owner's manual. It is earned over time through repairs made in the driveway and miles traveled with no warning lights or error codes. The result is a sense of self-reliance that keeps owners loyal, even when newer trucks offer more features and better safety. As one longtime driver put it, when you know your truck inside and out, you don't worry about what might go wrong, you just fix it. In second place, practical capability stands at the core of why older pickups remain essential tools for working drivers. Body-on-frame construction, solid axles, and leaf spring suspensions give these trucks the backbone to handle heavy loads and rough terrain without complaint. The bed isn't just for show. It's built to haul lumber, gravel, or a full load of tools, day after day. Towing a trailer means connecting a simple, exposed wiring harness that is easy to test with a $10 circuit light, not a proprietary scan tool. When something goes wrong in the field, a failed taillight or a loose hitch pin can be fixed on the spot, often with nothing more than a pocket knife and a roll of tape. Solid axles distribute weight evenly, keeping the truck stable under load and making repairs straightforward. No specialty lifts or computer resets are required. For many owners, this work-ready design means their truck isn't just transportation, it's a reliable partner that gets the job done every single day. And finally, in first place, the real backbone of older pickup ownership isn't found under the hood or in the frame rails. It lives in the community of people who keep these trucks running. When a stubborn problem crops up, thousands of online forum threads and step-by-step video walkthroughs are just a search away. Whether it's a 1985 Ford with a mysterious idle or a Chevy C10 needing a brake job, answers are documented by fellow owners and seasoned mechanics who have seen it all. Local shops and regional salvage yards become hubs of expertise, with some mechanics earning reputations as the go-to for hard-to-find fixes. Salvage gurus know which parts fit across model years, and inspection checklists circulated by buyers make even first-time owners look like veterans. The sheer volume of shared knowledge transforms intimidating repairs into manageable weekend projects. This community support multiplies every advantage of mechanical simplicity and affordable parts, turning older pickups into vehicles that nearly anyone can keep alive. For many, it's not just about the truck, it's about belonging to a group that refuses to let a good machine die. Across all these reasons, one pattern stands out: trust built through simplicity and hands-on connection. Even as technology reshapes trucks, countless drivers still value machines they can understand, fix, and rely on. That bond endures, proving usefulness and confidence sometimes matter more than the latest features. Thanks for watching.